Hi everyone, hope you're all well and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we'll be exploring Site123, an intuitive website builder that allows you to create stunning websites without any coding skills or technical expertise. Whether you're a small business owner, blogger, or aspiring entrepreneur, Site123 offers an easy-to-use platform with a range of features to help you bring your online presence to life. So let's dive right in and discover what Site123 has to offer. So what is Site123? Site123 is a website builder that allows you to create professional-looking websites without requiring extensive technical knowledge or coding skills. It offers a user-friendly interface and a wide range of features to help you build and customize your website easily. Some key features of Site123 include an ease of use, because it's designed to be beginner-friendly, providing a simple and intuitive website creation process. You can choose from a variety of templates and customize them to suit your needs. As mentioned before, it offers a collection of pre-designed templates for different types of websites, including business, portfolio, blog, and e-commerce sites. These templates are responsive, meaning they automatically adapt to different screen sizes for optimal viewing on desktops, tablets, mobile devices. Once you select a template, you can customize various aspects of your websites like fonts, colors, layouts, and images. The drag and drop editor allows you to easily rearrange elements and add or remove sections as well. Site123 also provides a really straightforward CMS that allows you to create and manage pages, blog posts, image galleries, and forms. And you can also integrate external tools like Google Analytics and social media widgets as well. And if you're looking to build an online store, Site123 does offer e-commerce functionality to help you sell products and manage orders. You can add product listings to your website, set up payment gateways, and track your inventory as well. Site123 also includes built-in SEO tools to help optimize your website for search engines. You can add meta tags, customize URLs, and manage other SEO settings to improve your site's visibility. If you need to create a website in multiple languages, Site123 supports multilingual capabilities, allowing you to easily translate your content and provide website searchers as well. It's worth noting that while Site123 does offer a free plan, it does have some limitations. So to access more advanced features and remove Site123 branding, you can upgrade to one of their premium plans as well. So let's get started with Site123. To get started with Site123, you just want to go into the site123.com website, and you can find the link in the bio below. And what you want to do is just click on Start Here to start building your website using their free website builder. The first thing that they'll ask you is what type of website do you want to create. If it's a normal kind of portfolio website, blog website, a simple landing page, or an online store. In this video, we're going to try building a blog. And then they'll ask you for what kind of blog are you going to be writing about. And they'll give you some options like fashion and beauty, travel and tourism, recreation and sport, things like that. If none of them actually match what your blog is promoting, that's no problem. It'll just ask you to click here and then you can move on to the next step. In this video, we're just going to use business marketing as our example. And then you just want to give your business or marketing blog a name. And then you just want to sign up as the final step. And again, at this point, everything is free. There's nothing that you need to pay for right now. So you can either sign up with Google, with Facebook, or just sign up with your normal website and phone number and email. It will then start loading your editor and building up your site. Some key features of Site123 is that it's very easy to use. It's designed to be very beginner friendly, providing a simple and intuitive website creation process, and you can choose from a variety of templates as well and customize them to suit your needs. So you'll start off here in your website dashboard, and this is where you'll kind of manage your site if you wanted to edit it, upgrade to a different domain, manage your site settings, any messages, blogs, things like that. It'll all be set up here. What you want to do first, so you have the blog set up here, and what you want to do is click into edit to start editing your blog website. And you can see it's already kind of built out for you as a starting step, and all you really need to do is change things like the design, the layout, add your own sections, add your own pages. What you can do first is update the colors and fonts, and this is really good. This is a good first step, as you want to make sure that the site is continuously using your brand's theme, color, your brand's font, and things like that. So what you want to do is go into the design part at top, and you want to click into colors. And you want to look at the different color schemes that there are. Right now with those Site123, if you're on the free version, they'll have a range of different color features and color palettes set up. However, if you wanted to use your own custom colors, it is part of the paid plan, and you'll need to upgrade to one of their plans as well. But if you're not wanting to upgrade so soon now, they do have a range of different color palettes to choose from. It's a good way to kind of get started and see if the site builder is what you need and will make sense for you to purchase in the future. So you can go through each of the color palettes and see which one kind of makes sense for you, and then later when you upgrade, you can update with your own colors. The next thing you can also do is the fonts. So if you click into fonts here, and again, they'll have different font pairings. You can see here with a little preview as well, and you can click on them to kind of preview all of the font pairings across your website. But again, if you wanted to use your own custom font pairings, then you would need to upgrade to one of their plans. But otherwise, again, similar to the color palettes, there's loads of different font pairings that you can use, so it's not like you're limited that much when it comes to using the free version. The next thing that you want to do is edit the header and footer, and this is really easy. All you need to do is click into the header section on the top toggle bar here, and you can customize things like showing different social networks, showing the phone number, showing emails, things like that. And all you need to do is just toggle each of these things to decide if you want to show it or not. And then once you've toggled it, then all you need to do is just click on edit to edit like the phone number, and then you can edit the social networks and things like that. It's also up to you if you want to arrange them in different sections. So the call to action buttons, we have social network, email, and phone, but what we can do is just change the arrangement as well. Simple drag and drop, and then that changes the header. If you click on footer and scroll down, you can see all of the footer layouts, and there's different sort of layouts here, and it's up to you if you wanted to add different call to actions and different layouts as well, and different features. What's really good about this builder is that it is very drag and drop. So for example, we have this homepage that's already built out for us. Maybe we want to add another kind of layout as well. So all we need to do is, for example, this section here, we can click into templates, and we can pick from one of the templates that's already set up for us, and then just apply that to our site as well. You can also just change specifically this layout if everything else is fine, but you want to maybe change the background color. You get the options of what you can change for each section when you click into each of the section. To change contents, for example, we have this content here. It's really easy to change text content. You just click into the text and then just type in the actual text that you want it to show. And again, you just want to click on adding each section and focusing on what you want to add, and edit the background colors, edit the text exactly how you need it. The next thing that you want to do is add pages. So right now we have the home, blog, and a contact us page, but maybe we also want to add an about us page. So what you want to do is go into the page at the top, and you want to click on add new page. And there's different ways you can go about it. You can add a page based on what's popular, or you can just look into directly what kind of page that you want. So we want to do an about us page, so I'm going to, in the search bar, I'm going to click on about, and it's going to show me about a bunch of about sections as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick one of the sections, and that is our about page. And again, all I need to do is change the layouts. If I wanted to, I can click into layouts, and then other than that, I can change the content as well. I can choose an image, I can choose several images, I can choose a video as well, and then just edit exactly how I need to. Once you're done with everything, you can click on publish, and this is the bit where you may need to update as well. So if we go back to the dashboard, you can see currently our domain name is this series of random letters and numbers, and this is because we are still on the free site. What we want to do is use one of the domains, either the one that they suggest or one that we may already have. In order to do that, we need to click on upgrade now and upgrade to one of their hosting plans. So you can see they've got different plans from gold to basic, starting at like £10 a month to about £16 a month. Keep in mind that these are the promotional time offers. So once the promotion is done, then if you're paying the full price. In this case, if you go for gold, it's about £27.45. The main difference between all of these is the mailing list messages, so the amount of messages that you can send. If you're on the basic plan, you can't send any mailbox messages and you don't get any mailbox. But then from then on, you can send. There's a limit to how many mailing list messages you can send. There's a limit to the mailboxes, and in terms of e-commerce, the e-commerce side, you will need to have the professional and gold plans in order to be able to make a certain amount of orders every month as well. So with the free plan, you can create your basic website with limited features. It does include the 500 MB storage, the 123 subdomain, and branding on your site. The premium site will offer the 4 premium plans, and they vary in storage, they vary in features as well. So using AI web builders over manually coding websites or using templates offers several benefits. First one being that it's a very user-friendly interface. So as we've seen, a lot of these AI web builders typically have intuitive drag and drop interfaces that make it easy for users without coding knowledge to create and design websites. This eliminates the need to learn complex programming languages or hire professional developers. AI web developers enable rapid website creation by leveraging pre-designed templates, AI algorithms, and automation. The process is streamlined, allowing you to build a website quickly. This saves time and reduces costs compared to hiring a web developer or coding a website from scratch. Speaking of coding, there's no coding skills required because AI web builders eliminate that need by making website creation accessible to a broader audience. You can build a professional looking website without having to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or any other kind of programming language. AI builders often provide design suggestions, layout recommendations, and color schemes based on user preference or the specific industry. This guidance can be invaluable, especially for those without a strong design background, ensuring a visually appealing and cohesive website. AI web builders typically produce websites that are responsive and optimized for various devices like desktops, tablets, and smartphones, and this ensures that your website looks and functions well across different screen sizes. A lot of AI web builders also handle the technical aspects, including software updates, and this frees you from the responsibility of maintaining and updating the website infrastructure, allowing you to focus on content creation and business growth as well. There's a lot of built-in features and integrations as well, like contact forms, image galleries, e-commerce functionality, analytics, and social media integration. These ready-to-use elements save time and effort as they're readily available without additional coding or plugins. Reputable AI builders also offer customer support to assist with any questions or technical issues they might encounter. This support can be valuable, especially for beginners or those with limited technical knowledge. While AI web builders offer a lot of benefits, it's important to consider some of the limitations as well. These builders have some limitations compared to manually coding a website, such as limited customizations. The available design options and templates and functionality may not fully align with your specific vision or requirements, especially if you have complex designs, needs, or unique functionality requirements. Manually coding may offer more flexibility. While AI web builders aim to simplify the website creation process, there can still be a learning curve associated with using these platforms. They don't necessarily require coding knowledge just yet. You may need to invest time in learning how to navigate the builder and make the most of its features as well. There could be some scalability issues, particularly for websites with complex or evolving needs. If your website requires advanced functionality, extensive database integration, or significant customization, it may be more challenging to achieve with an AI builder than manually coding it. While AI web builders offer a range of templates to choose from, there is that possibility that your website might end up looking too similar to other websites using the same platform. If creating a unique and distinct online presence is crucial to your brand, then it may be limited by the constraints of the AI web builder templates. And when you're using an AI builder, you're relying on the platform's ongoing availability and support. So if the platform experiences any technical issues, undergoes changes, or even stops being in use altogether, it can impact your website's functionality and availability. With AI builders also, you have limited control over certain aspects of your websites. The platform's terms and conditions may place restrictions on specific customizations, ownership of content, and it's important to review those terms and conditions and understand the limitations before committing to an AI web builder. And that wraps up our exploration of AI web builders. From the user-friendly interfaces to drag and drop functionality, these tools have revolutionized website creation, making it faster and easier for anyone to establish their online presence. Whether you're a small business owner, a content creator, or an aspiring entrepreneur, AI web builders offer a convenient solution to bring your website vision to life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And there you have it, Site123, a really powerful website builder that empowers users to create professional websites with a lot of ease. With its user-friendly interface, customizable templates, and e-commerce capabilities, Site123 is a great choice for anyone looking to establish a strong online presence. Whether you're building a personal blog, an online store, or business website, Site123 has got you covered. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.